open up the green goblin from Spider-Man movie. And I'm gonna this quick panel. Here's green goblin, and he have a little he's cute, I've never seen green people before. Look, his big ears. Oh, they're way too big. Look at you. He can take the pumpkin, and he have a bag full of pumpkins. This is his. Let me see how I put this. Okay. Very much. So I'm gonna put him and make him fly. Okay, guys, just wait up. Here he is. He's coming back, guys. Here he is, back with his like a skateboard flying. He built it. Bye guys. Please click like and subscribe. See you tomorrow in the next video.